Hey guys, welcome back. We are here at the Porsche stand. We have here the last Panamera Gran Turismo here in its hybrid version. So stay tuned, we're gonna have a quick look and a complete look at the outside and inside. So stay tuned. So as I told, here we have the Panamera Gran Turismo in its magnificent blue color. It's just amazing. So here we have huge bumper, and you can see here the LEDs. We have also the nice lights, LED lights here, you can see. We have the big one in the middle and 4 smaller ones, which means a complete huge LED lights. We have also really nice wheels on it, 21 inches. And huge brakes to stop the beast. And as you told you, it's the hybrid version we have here, but it's not because it's hybrid it's not fast. I think it's a really cool fast one, also in hybrid version. On the side we have also those nice vents here, which in this case are useful to make just the air go smoother through the body of the car. But the biggest change here in the Gran Turismo is at the back. So if you look, you have a bigger trunk, called here by Porsche Gran Turismo. Here at the back we have also 21-inch wheel and a bit smaller brakes, but also big. Here at the back, about the style, it remains in the style of Porsche. Even if it has a bigger trunk, it keeps all the design stuff Porsche always made. We have also that small spoiler here on the top, which can pop out when going through a specific speed or just by pushing a button. So it's really nice finding back some elements like on the normal Panamera. We have also some cool exhaust tips, real nice one, pretty big on both sides, and just here a kind of small diffuser. Have a look at the tail lights here, all of LED, really nice design you have here. I bet we can all recognize by night now Porsches seeing all the general style of taillights you can find back on the normal Panamera, the 911, and on the Cayenne and Macan. We have also this huge panoramic roof, really big one, which can be opened up here on the front part, as you can see. So as I told, it's the hybrid version we got here, so you can plug it in and load it up. So have a look at the price. So you can see it here, it's about a bit more than 160,000 with a base price of 115,000. So the front is really impressive. That huge hood, really large one with the huge wheels. It's pretty impressive to be near this car. So now we are having a quick look on the inside. Let's see the inside. So here we are in the inside of the new Panamera Gran Turismo. So here we have a real nice steering wheel, the steering wheel with paddle shifts here at the back. Real nice, made of aluminium. Clusters, yeah, just the middle one which remain in the classic style, and the two on the sides which are screens giving you information about the car. You can put the navigation or something else. So you feel pretty comfortable here in the car. The seats are just amazing, very comfortable but sporty. You feel it's pretty firm, but you're pretty well seated in it. So here we have also small commands which you can control on which mode you want to ride, all electric or sportier, or if you want to use all the available power to ride. Here we have that really nice holes where you can see through, and you have the paddle shift just behind. Really nice. We have also nice carbon finishing on the door panels. Really nice one. And here beneath we have the audio system, Bose audio system. Here in the middle we have really nice clock Just looks really cool here in the middle of the dashboard. It's really nice gadget. And here is the most important piece, is the huge screen we have here. Really nice one, nice finishing, nice design. And don't know if you could light it up. Don't like we can. No, we can light it up. Sorry guys. So here we have all the touch screens controls. We can't see it really good here, but you have a lot of them. You can control heating, seats, temperature. You can set up sports mode or not, and all of them are just by touchscreen. You have that really nice volume button here. Really cool. So we have that nice shift knob, really cool, just amazing design, just really good in hand. You cannot grab it really easy. You can put it in manual and use it really easily. So here we have in the middle pretty much space. We have two huge holes for putting your cans. So we are lucky we have some guests here. How are you feeling, sir, in the new Panamera Gran Turismo?
Very good, thank you. Very nice, lots of room.
Yeah, you can see it here. Mr. has plenty of room for his legs. Really comfy. We have also that nice panoramic sunroof here, split in two pieces, one in the front which you can open up, and one here in the back, which is pretty big also. So let's have a look at the back. So here at the back, you have also plenty of space. I've seen it with our small guest. Really cool seats like in the front, really sporty, really comfortable, but you're really well in it. And here as in the front you have climate controls for the back seats. It's really nice finish we have here. Let's have a look at the trunk. Pretty big one. Electric one. So we see here we have a huge trunk with plenty of space. Really practical one, but without making it less good to see. And you just close it by pushing the button, like we see almost everywhere.